Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get weapons in Archero 2. In Archero 2, obtaining weapons is straightforward but requires a mix of strategy and a bit of luck. One of the primary methods is participating in hunts, where completing levels can reward you with various equipment, including weapons. Another main avenue is opening gear chests. Though it's a bit of a gamble, you may receive weapons, but you could also get armor, helmets, boots, rings, or necklaces instead. Beyond hunts and chests, weapons are also obtainable through special events and in game shops, giving players multiple opportunities to strengthen their arsenal. To maximize your chances, keep progressing in a game, participate in events, and carefully manage your resources when opening chests or purchasing gear. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.